This is a guide on how you can register on Spotify. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be downloading the Spotify app, and after that click on Spotify and open the app. On this page you have to log in. You can either log in with your phone number or your Google account or your Facebook account. So I'm gonna go with Google account. Okay, after choosing your account, you'll see this. This is basically your birth date. So yeah, enter your birth date. After you're done, click next. After you're done, click next. After that, enter your gender. Well, I'm a male. After that, you can enter your name. For example, my name is D Prezzo, so it's showing D Prezzo. You can change it by clicking on it. Otherwise, you can just keep it this way. And on the bottom, you get two options. You can check these if you don't want to receive marketing messages from Spotify, and if you don't want to share your registration data with Spotify's content providers, then don't check this one. Keep it unchecked. After that, click create account. After that, you can turn on your notifications, but I don't really want notifications, so I'm gonna go with not now. And then on this page, Spotify will ask you what type of music do you like. So I'm gonna go with Hindi and English or international. And once you're done, click on next. You can choose multiple languages, so yeah, click on next. And then you get to choose particular artists. So I'm gonna go with Arijit Singh, and then I'm gonna go with Atif Aslam and Kishore Kumar. You can choose whatever artist you want. You can also search for your artist on this search bar on the top. Once you're done, click on done and then wait. And that's pretty much it. That's how you register on Spotify.